Okay, so now you can see that I have my two walls. Both of them are having the 3000 millimeters length and they are having the 2000 millimeters height. So they should be both giving me the area of 6 meters squared and the same volume. But you can see that actually this wall is giving me higher area and higher volume, and this one is giving me lower area and lower volume. And this is because the length of this wall is being calculated at the location line. So here in this example at the wall center line. So you can see with this temporary dimension that the length of this wall is being calculated from here, from this blue dot to this blue dot, which is 3000 millimeters. The length of this wall is the same from the blue dot to blue dot, 3000 millimeters. But the area and volume are not calculated from these. They are calculated actually from, like, if I select this wall, you can see that it is now bluish. And you can see inside of this wall joint that all of this wall, like all the part of this wall joint is now considered to be part of this wall. So that's why the area and volume is higher than this one. Because here it is being calculated like this. So it is 3100 times 2000 millimeters, which is 6.2, and the volume is 1.24. And this one is getting 2900 times 2, which is 5.8, and the volume is like this. So you can see that if I use my wall joints tool, now here on this joint, and I would go with my butt joint, and I would just change this, take a look on these numbers here, that if I change it, they are changing with the wall joint. So you can see that the way how the walls are joined together is actually affecting my area and volume calculations. And that is because now this wall is being prioritized over this wall in this joint, and they are calculating like this. There is one way how you can get like the same value for area and volume of these two walls, and that is by using here not the butt joint but the meter joint. And now you can see that these two walls have the same volume and same area. The one interesting thing is that the area is being calculated like not with this 3000 millimeters but with this 3000 millimeters and 100, which is like, if you select it, you can see that the area is now being calculated actually on this exterior side all the way through here. The same goes with this one. So this is how the joints are affecting the area and volume calculations of your walls.